Okay, I may have a foot on the other side not cut, a buttress piece, but it seems like it's going, unless it's hooked over there. Let's see if it's hooked over there. You think it's hooked over there?
If it is, it ain't much.
You think it's rotted wood and it might fall?
It might be rotted.
I think, yeah. I'm gonna keep tapping it. You wanna film while I'm tapping it?
I'll film it.
Okay.
I think you got it.
Think it's gonna fall?
I think it's gonna go.
You got a steel wedge here.
Yep.
Oops. Can't see what I'm doing. Ooh, it bounced out.
Oh, coming back this way.
Coming back the other way. Well, I'll wedge it. I'll wedge it good that way.
Where'd the wedge go?
It went somewhere in there. We'll get it. You know, I may cut another wedge or two out of this wood, but watch out, it might fall right at you.
Might want to. I got that little wedge right. It ain't thick enough.
Yeah, we'll get it. We'll get it here.
There it is. There's that wedge.
Okay. It goes that way. Where at? Where you see it at over here? Over there? Damn, okay. Okay, all right. You got it?
Yeah, there it is right there.
Still rolling?
Yep.
Okay.
There it is.
Well, it's going to bounce out again. It might go that way this time. Let's see. Maybe I can get it to tilt. Maybe I can tilt it.
What about on this corner? Yeah, that corner's too big, huh?
What's that? You got
Fucking bars.
Yeah. Yeah, I could try that corner.
This corner. I don't. Huh?
No, I can't get that corner.
They go back to where you were at, huh?
Yeah.
Probably the best bet. That's what happened. You knocked that sign down.
Yeah.
They ain't done nothing.
Ain't done nothing?
Want me to swing at it?
I can get it in a second. Just get resting up a second.
It's rocking a little bit. Yep, it's going the right direction.
It's funny.
Huh.
Oh hell, it's filming right now. We've been filming the whole time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Here, keep filming that sucker.
There we go. Yeah, we got it. Yep. Yep. It's going the right way. Keep got it, bud. Looking good.
I don't know, man.
One more time.
You think so?
Yep, it's going.
You think it's going?
Going the right direction, away from us.
Away from us. Yeah.
And away from the house. I don't think it's long enough. There we go, partner. Beautiful. 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 Hey.
Did we make it happen or what?
What a professional job.
Not professional. Just
That's perfect.
we just made it happen, that's all.
Perfect.
Oh. Yeah.
We got work tomorrow.
Hey, this thing's not too bad rotted.
No, it's not.
It can make some good timber. It's got a hollow core to it, but we can see what happens when we saw on it a bit. Glad you had that 12-inch steel wedge, man.
Lifesaver.
Yeah. Hey, that 381's powerful. You think that 381's powerful?
Oh, yeah. A little saw with big power.
Yeah.
Little saw, big power.
I finally got them where they'll work. It's a Chinese saw, man. Steve's 381. Like, subscribe, share. Thumbs up. Take care. Comment.